Hey guys, I'm back at Harbor Freight checking out the deals they recently released of the new super coupons, and they are running them until October 26th, so you do have a little bit of time on them. So I'm starting off here in the air compressor section. They had the McGraw 6-gallon pancake air compressor. It does have dual ports. It's rated for up to 150 psi. They have this with the coupon of saving 20 bucks, so it's only $110. And if you're in need of a large compressor, it's a gas powered one. It has a 420cc Predator engine. This is a 30-gallon up to 175 psi. This is normally priced at 2,000 bucks, but with the coupon, you can save $300 on that. So it's only 1,700 bucks. And they have this Fortress 225 max psi 5-gallon compressor. It does have a handle that extends out so you can cart it around because it does have pneumatic tires on the back. Does have dual ports. It's rated up to 1.6 horsepower. They do have this on with the coupon of saving 30 bucks, so it's only $289.99. And another compressor option is this 10-gallon McGraw 135 psi. It does take oil. It's one single port air port on it. They have this normally priced at 210 bucks, but you can save 30 bucks with the coupon. It's only going to be $179.99. And how about saving 50 bucks on this Earthquake XT 3/4 inch composite air impact wrench? This is normally priced at 250 bucks. So save 50 bucks, so it's only $199.99. It is rated up to 1,800 foot-pounds of torque. As a twin hammer. This thing means business. And the next deal is on this Merlin 20-piece premium air compressor accessory kit. So it comes with an assortment of different connectors and couplers, as well as plugs, and then the different attachments to use with the blowgun. Also comes with the hose as well, and a tire gauge. So it's normally priced at 23 bucks, but with the super coupon, you're going to be able to save 21% on it, so it's only $17.99. And how about saving 40% on the Serpentine Belt Toolkit by Pittsburgh? It's 8 pieces, goes with a few different sockets. So they have this on, normally priced at 22 bucks there. We were able to save 40% on it, so it's only going to be $12.99. And here's another Pittsburgh item. It's a 3/4 inch forged ball joint separator that is normally priced at 20 bucks, but with the coupon, you save 16% on that, so it's only 15. And the next deal is on this Pittsburgh disc brake pad piston compressor. So you're able to reset the piston for simple pad replacement, normally priced at 10 bucks. But with that super coupon, it's going to be $5.99, so it's saving 40%. And they have a decent deal on this Hullmaster 500-pound capacity aluminum cargo carrier. This is what it looks like. So it goes on a 2-inch receiver mount. So it makes carting around large objects easy. It is normally priced at $99.99, but with the super coupon, you're going to save $15 on it, so it's going to be 85 bucks. They have an excellent deal on the Quinn 7-inch diagonal cutters, a deal for all types of cutting. They do have that price normally at 8 bucks, but with the coupon, you're going to save 37% on that, so it's going to be $4.99. And they have these Doyle electrician shears. These are pretty nice. It comes with a hard plastic sheath to store them in. It has a serrated stainless steel blade to make cutting wires easy. And it also has a cushion grip. It is 50% less cutting force required, they say, and it's good for cutting up to between 10 to 22 AWG. It's a pretty nice shears. It also comes with a lifetime guarantee. It is normally priced at $17.99. But you're able to save 33% on those, so it's only $11.99. You can save 30% on this Vanguard 15-foot 16 gauge extension cord, normally priced at 10 bucks. So it's only going to be $6.99 for that deal. And they have this Braun waterproof rechargeable spotlight. It's rated up to 400 lumens, and it is IP67 rated for waterproof. Normally priced at 20 bucks. We're able to save 25% on that, so it's only going to be $14.99. And here's a great coupon to take advantage of on any electric or gas power washer. So it doesn't matter what the brand is. The super coupon is saving 20% on any electric or gas pressure washer. So that's a great time to pick up one of these with great savings of 20%. You do have until the 26th for these deals. I'll give you one example here on this Predator 2650 PSI. It's a 2.4 gallon per minute power washer. It's $350 is the normal price, but you'll save $70 on that. So it'll be only $280. And also the Predator 4400 PSI, that's a 4.2 gallon per minute one. It does come with a 50-foot hose. It's normally priced at $900. So you save $180 on that, so it'll only be $720. And the next deal is on this Chicago Electric variable speed rotary tool. So it's like a Dremel. It does have different bits as well as grinding wheels and sanding discs. It does use an 1/8 inch shank. It does come in a hard plastic case here. It is normally priced at $22.99, but you're able to save 34% on that, so it's only going to be $15. So it might be worth the pickup if it's reliable. And they have this Bauer 1/2 inch variable speed drill. Obviously, it's a plug-in kind of drill. It is 6.3 amp, normally priced at $45. But if you missed out on the parking lot sale where you're able to save 25% on this, they do have the coupon where you can save 22%, so it's only going to be $34.99. So it's not as great as the other deal they were having, but still 22% is decent. So they do have this 9-piece Warrior magnetic nut setter set. Say that 50 times straight. It does come with an organizer there, so you can organize your nut setters. It does come in SAE and metric sizes. So the SAE goes from 1/4 inch all the way up to a 1/2 inch, and then the metric goes from 5 millimeter up to 12 millimeter in size. So your options there, normally priced at $3.99 each. So you save 37% on that, so it's going to be $2.49. And they have this Hercules Force 1 1/8 inch hex breaker hammer. This thing is a beast. So they have this with a 15 amp motor, and it does 1,000 beats per minute. It is normally priced at $649.99, but with a super coupon, you're able to save $120 on that. So it's only going to be $529.99. Excellent deal, excellent savings on that. And the next deal is on this Bauer micro cleaning accessory kit. It's a 9-piece set, so you can turn your vacuum into many little detail vacuum. It does fit from 1 1/4 inch up to 1 3/8 inch wet dry vac hoses. It is normally priced at $8, but with the super coupon, you're going to save 25%, so it's going to be $5.99. And another good deal is on this Bauer 2-piece set of vacuum attachments. It has a crevice tool and brush. It does fit from 1 1/4 inch, 1 7/8, and 2 1/2 inch size hoses. It is normally priced at $8.99, but with the coupon, you're going to be able to save 33% on that, so it's going to be $5.99. And another deal they are doing is on this Bauer Cyclone Dust Separator Kit. It's good for the 5-gallon buckets, especially if you get any of those free Harbor Freight buckets. You can turn it into a dust extractor. It attaches to the 5-gallon bucket like that, so it separates the dust from the main shop vac unit itself. So it comes with all the parts needed to do that, including like the lid to go onto the 5-gallon bucket. So that is normally priced at $39.99, but with the coupon you're going to save 17% on that, so it's going to be $32.99. And they do have a newer item out. This is Franklin vacuum storage bags. It is a set of 4 of them. They are airtight and watertight. You could use your shop vac or vacuum with a hose attachment to be able to store different clothes or other goods and help remove the air and make it more compact and easy for storage. They are normally priced at $6.99, but with the coupon you're able to save 42% on that, so it's only be $3.99. It's a pretty good deal on those. They do have the Harbor Freight branded fine point permanent markers. They are in black color. It's a 2-pack of them. You're able to write on different materials like wood, metal, plastic, brick, cinder block. It does have a clog resistant marker tip. Writes on dusty, wet, and oily surfaces, and up to 144-hour, 6-day cap off life. So it doesn't dry out anytime soon if you leave your cap off. It is a fine point marker. So this 2-pack is normally priced at $1.99. So these will probably be comparable to like the Milwaukee ones. And with the super coupon, you can save 50% on that. So it's only be 99 cents. And if you're in need of some sanding belts that are 3-inch by 21-inch Bauer ones that they have in different grits from 36 all the way up to 120. So different options there. Normally priced at $7.99. We're able to save 37% on them. So they're going to be $4.99. Great deal there, great savings. And the next deal is on this Warrior Universal Folding Miter Saw Stand. It does accept up to a 10-inch miter saw. It does have arms that go out to be able to help support your materials that you're cutting. It does have a quick release mounting brackets. It's rated for up to 350 pounds. It is normally priced at $60, but with the coupon you're able to save 16% on that, so it's going to be $49.99. And if you need something a little bit more robust than this one, they do have the Hercules miter saw stand with a capacity of 550 pounds, and it does have over 8 foot of material support, so it has the arms that do come out. Also has wheels so you can move it around, and then the folding legs, so it makes it nice and compact. Also with a coupon where you can save $30 on it. So it's only going to be $150. It's normally priced at $180. But if you're going to spend that kind of money, I would go for the rigid miter saw stand that's at Home Depot. I think that's normally priced around $200. You're getting a much better saw stand, in my opinion. It has larger wheels and it can support more materials because the arms do extend out more than this one. But if you need something that's more compact, this would be certainly the one, because it is smaller than the rigid one and it is lightweight aluminum. And another good deal they are offering, which I could not find here in the store, I just couldn't locate it. So they have this Hercules 1/2-inch cobalt bimetal deep cut portable bandsaw blades. It's a 2-pack of them, priced at only $10. That's saving 44% on that, so it's normally priced at $17.99. So it's a pretty good savings on that. And if you're in need of a protective rifle case, a long one, they have this one that's a weatherproof one. It's the 9800 series by Apache. It is saving $30 on it, so it's only going to be $120. And if you missed out on the deals from US General from the parking lot sale, you can save $80 on the full bank service cart. It's the 6-drawer one for $520. So it was $599. Then they also have the US General Work Center hutch, saving $50 on that, so it's only going to be $449. It's also available in the 8 different colors for that hutch, but the service cart is available in 9 colors. And if you're in need of a floor blower, they have this Bauer 1000 CFM 1/5 horsepower floor blower. You can save 22% on that, so it's only $69.99. It was $89.99, so that's a pretty good savings on that. And then like their vacuum, you're only saving $10 on that one. So it's not so much of a great deal, but I haven't seen them go on sale that often. It's better to save $10 than nothing. Another great deal they are holding is on this Vulcan Outlaw 6,000 watt generator. It is a 195 amp dual voltage welder. Normally priced at $1,800. We're able to save $200 on it. So it's going to be $1,600. Pretty decent savings on that. Then they also have the 7 horsepower plate compactor by Central Machinery, saving $70 on that, so it's going to be $630. And you can also save $70 on the 65 amp plasma cutter by Titanium, so it's going to be $929. Another titanium option is the professional welder. It's both 120 and 240 volt input. Priced at $500. It was $550. All right, so those are going to be the best super coupon deals that I'm going to go over. There's certainly way more coupons available online. I'll be sure to put a link in the description so you can review all the ones that they do have available. And there are many more options. Just some of them aren't so great of savings. They're like, on some of them are like saving 11% or 10% on some things. And so definitely check it out, see what's available, see what you might be in the market for. But if you enjoyed this video, I would appreciate if you give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more of these tool deal videos. I really appreciate you watching and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.